Hey, welcome to this Windows channel, and this is another video where we continue to take a look at the settings in Windows 10. Today we're going into notifications, all settings, system, and offline maps. What's offline maps? What does it do? Basically, offline maps is because in Windows 10 you have a Maps app. It is pre-installed, so if you type Maps, you will have the Maps app show up on your tablet, PC, or phone. Now, the Maps app, it's a little bit like Google Maps, but it's made by Microsoft, and it is pre-installed so that you use this default as Maps. Because it's there, there's also the possibility in this setting, offline maps, to get maps from areas that you go often, but that are available offline for several reasons. Now here I've downloaded maps for Quebec, Canada, province of Quebec in Canada, because that's where I live. And of course, when you download maps, you just click on the plus sign, you choose your continent, and then it will narrow down where you want to have. And each country has submaps and so on, depending on what you want and where it is and how big it is also. So basically, the reason you want to download maps is because if you are limited on, for example, your mobile device on the amount of data, then you don't want to have the maps download while you're actually using the smartphone or the computer. What you want to have is something that doesn't use your data while you're there. So you can use Wi-Fi, download the maps where you want, and once you have them in your device, it will not use any data while you are using them outside of your Wi-Fi zone. Now, you can download as many maps as you want. Of course, you can delete all maps if you want, or the maps that are already there, you can also delete separate maps. Maps are pretty large, as you see here. The province of Quebec is 580 megabytes. And depending on where you go, it's fun, could be useful to have downloaded maps for that location. Of course, you choose where you want to download, so it's C for your PC, but if you have a storage card, for example, an SD card, a USB key, so on, you can choose some other space if you don't have a lot of space on your device. Now, metered connections, it says here, if this is turned off, maps only download over free Wi-Fi or unlimited mobile data. So basically, what you want to have here is make sure that the maps download only on places, connections that you want, because you've seen that a map can be pretty good, pretty big. It's of course important to not download the maps when you're using data from your mobile network, so you can leave it off. Sorry, leave it off, and this means that you only download over free Wi-Fi or if you have unlimited mobile data. Then, of course, automatically update maps. That means that in the background, if you don't do anything, maps from time to time will be updated on your device, and you can check for updates if you want. Maps are supplied by Here, which is a map supplier that we heard a lot about this year in the news. So check it out if you want to have offline maps, if you want to make sure that the maps download in a specific location. This is the setting of offline maps. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, let us know. Give us thumbs up, and please subscribe if you enjoy our videos.